If you want to earn more money, if you want to scale up, if you want to upgrade your finances, you know exactly what to do. It's either you are improving the quality of the products and services that you offer, or you are increasing the quantity of products or services that you sell. Improving the quality works. Prioritize that, because the unit price of your product, of what you offer, will go up, or the unit price of your time will go up. You will make more money without having to serve more people. Now, you can also increase the quantity. I mean, if you were selling to 20 people before, you sell to 50 people now, your income is obviously going up. I want to advise that you please invest some of your time and some of your money in improving your skills. It's life-changing. It's life-transforming. And come to think of it, in the times that we are in, things are changing fast. Technology is changing fast. Knowledge is changing or growing fast. So to even maintain your position, relative position in your industry, you need to be up to speed on what's going on. You need to be reading. You need to be studying. Please invest your money in improving your skills. Invest your time in improving your skills. Each time you do an upgrade in your skill like that, it shifts things for you financially. And sometimes shifts things financially forever. I don't know. Some people have a challenge. Going back to school, I agree. Not everybody is gifted with academic intelligence, so school may just not be their thing. But we may stop schooling, we must not stop learning. We may stop schooling, but we must not stop learning. You can serve as an apprentice under someone. In fact, when you join an organization that is in alignment with your own visions and dreams and your life assignment, I encourage put in 5 straight years and just bury yourself into that line of industry because you want to understand it. I had a billionaire say recently that people talk a lot about capital in business. He said, I think you need to focus more on knowledge than on capital. He said, when you put your knowledge ahead of your capital, when adversity comes, it will hit the knowledge first before it can touch your capital. He said, but if you put the capital first and knowledge comes behind, when adversity strikes, it will wipe out your capital and you will now gain knowledge. Okay? So we need to prioritize the upgrading of our level of knowledge. Absolutely necessary. Okay? We are never too old to learn. Never too old to learn. Don't die before your time. Okay? Be open-minded. Once in a while, take yourself through the process. It may be a short course, it may be a long one, but you want to continue to upgrade your skills. This is very, very, very important. Let me add another thought when it comes to structuring your life to attract more resources towards you. Value your time. Very important. See time as your most precious capital. This is why I say this. Because when you say capital, most of the time we think about money. But I put time ahead of money because when you lose money, you can make money back to replace it. When you lose time, there is no manufacturer to manufacture yesterday for you. It's gone, and it's gone forever. The amount of money that you make, okay, is simply a conversion of your time. Whatever it is you achieve on our planet, you invest time, you spend time, or you expend time to achieve it. So the most important resource that you have to convert to money is your time. Okay, let's take time out of your life. What will be left? Nothing. Nothing. Time is the real resource, and it's a powerful resource because it is irreplaceable. Once it's gone forever. And the amazing thing is that it's given to everybody in equal quantity. But if you want to find what the difference is between the person that is wildly successful and the person that is struggling, look at what they do with their time. You will find the difference there. You'll find the difference there. So just by shifting what you do with your time, I guarantee your finances can begin to change. That's the point. You trigger the principle. That's why volunteering can be very, very powerful. I've seen many people who went to volunteer somewhere and then the next day they got a job. Very powerful. If value goes from you, value will come back to you. So back to your time. Make the best use of your time. A lot of the time, the things that seem to be urgent don't add any value to you. If you're going to be prosperous, you need to make up your mind about being prosperous. You need to believe that you are prosperous. Please use your time well. Invest your time. Don't just spend your time. If somebody says, I'd like to talk to you for about 2 hours, think, will that be an investment or will that be an expense? Prioritize. Is this thing important? And is it urgent? A lot of the time, I'm telling you, when you try to work it out, you'll be amazed. Most of the things we invest our time in are things that are not very consequential to our success or to our progress. So check your priorities, the things that are most important to you, what you would consider real success, how much money will be required to meet your basic needs. Then make up your mind, set the target, go to work. Adjust what you invest your time in, and it can make a world of difference. I want to encourage for us to acquire books on finances. It's amazing sometimes people can read all sorts of books but not read a single one. A single one in the area that really matters to them. I hope that you, dear listener, will take practical action today. I will always continue to emphasize the biggest fight that you have to fight over your financial status is in the mind. And you've got to defeat negative thoughts there. Again, I can feel it. I've been through it. I understand how it feels when you don't even know where the next meal is coming from. And we are asking you to believe that you are rich and to believe that you're going to have money. Okay? So it's tough, it's hard, but it is absolutely possible. It's absolutely possible. Don't accept poverty as your destiny. Don't accept mediocrity or poor quality living as your destiny. Don't. Make that shift in your thinking. Make that shift in your life. You may look weird to people around you, but I guarantee we're talking about principles, and principles have no respect for persons. These principles will work for you.